Sleep comfort is all about pillow height. That's why we created the Pancake Pillow, the adjustable layer pillow that custom fits to your own perfect pillow height. With 6 soft stackable inner pillow layers, choose your number to custom fit your perfect pillow size. Luxury crafted with a 300 thread count, 100% cotton case, and the softest microfiber fill, the Pancake Pillow is truly 5-star hotel quality. Buying pillows for the whole family? You can't go wrong with the adjustable Pancake Pillow. With 6 soft stackable layers, it perfectly fits everyone. With the Pancake Pillow, you'll never buy the wrong sized pillow again.
I highly recommend the Pancake Pillow from Gravity Sleep, and I've got to tell you, I found the perfect pillow.
Order yours today and get free shipping and a complete 30-day satisfaction guarantee. See our 5-star reviews and order yours at pancakepillow.com.
Hi, I'm Bridget, and this is the TEMPUR-Cloud Soft and Conforming Pillow. It has a soft yet supportive feel and is designed for backside and stomach sleepers. It works especially well for people with medium to large frames. Inside is our one-of-a-kind Tempur material in a softer version for a huggable, cushioned feel. Tempur material precisely adapts to your body, so you get truly personalized support for your head, neck, and shoulders. And unlike some other pillows, it won't lose its shape over time. The cover is made from breathable cotton fabric that makes it extremely comfortable to sleep on. The cover is removable and washable, so you can keep your pillow clean and fresh. And it will fit your pillowcase perfectly. You can rest easy because the TEMPUR-Cloud Soft and Conforming Pillow comes with a 5-year limited warranty. Order yours now and experience what better sleep feels like with a Tempur-Pedic pillow.
For well-being, our bodies need 3 things: a nutritious diet, regular exercise, and quality rest. How do you get your best night's rest? Pillowwise has a simple yet revolutionary approach. One of the wonderful things about the human body is that no 2 people are identical in size or shape. Pillowwise embraces this uniqueness. Developed in cooperation with physical therapists, Pillowwise is a proven system that translates the shape of your head, neck, and shoulders into your perfect pillow. Just follow these simple steps. First, have your measurements taken by your local Pillowwise dealer. Based on your measurements, the Pillowwise advisor recommends your matching pillow. And you can feel the comfort of a perfect pillow match right away. Made in the Netherlands, Pillowwise uses only the best materials, highest quality non-toxic memory foam, and a removable washable cover made with soft moisture regulating tencel. There's even a Pillowwise travel pillow, so you can enjoy tailor-made comfort wherever you go. To assure you of your best night's sleep again and again, we give you a 5-year product warranty.
The TriCore cervical support pillow helps alleviate headaches and neck pain by providing proper alignment of the neck while you sleep. Sleeping on an orthopedic pillow is not just for the adults in your household. This pillow has sizes to fit most everyone in your family. The TriCore pillow is commonly used to help treat a variety of conditions affecting the neck and shoulders. The cervical roll supports the neck, and the shaped center gently cradles the head for better sleep when on your back. When sleeping on your side, the raised side panels will help keep the head level for proper alignment of the spine. In order to provide therapeutic benefits and help restore the natural curve of the neck, 2 very firm cervical rolls provide different support options. If you crave more support, the larger neck roll can be used. If you are in the adjustment phase or prefer slightly less support, the smaller neck roll would be more appropriate. It may take some time to adjust to this cervical pillow, and immediate overuse can actually increase neck pain. For those who are newer to cervical support pillows or prefer gentle support, the gentle version may be a better option for you.